Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here to show you guys how to change color in Tunisian crochet. So changing color in Tunisian crochet is a little different from how you would normally do it in regular crochet, but it's not difficult at all. As you can see, I went about changing my colors a few different times. So without further ado, just gonna jump into the tutorial. To do this method, it's really easy. So basically, once you've made a project and you've done so many rows and you get to the point where you're ready to do a returning pass, you would just do that returning pass as normal. So, yarn over, chain that one, and pull through two to the end. So I'm going to do that. Alright, now as you can see, I have pulled through two and I'm at my last stitch where I would normally pull through the last two, and instead of finishing off in that color, I'm going to bring back my purple and I want to reconnect it. So people reconnect yarn when they crochet in any way. Some people do a slip knot. I just kind of loop it like this and slide it onto my hook, and then I'll pull through two. Alright, and what I'll do now is continue on in my next row with my new color. It's as simple as that. So this goes for any stitch that you're making. I know a project, or a swatch rather, I was doing with the waves stitch. It looks better when it's done in two tones, in my opinion. So I was like, I need to change these colors. Oh yeah, that's possible. So I did that using this method. This is how I change color in my project. So there you have it. And you would just go about doing your project as normal. And there you have it. So I hope this little technique tutorial was helpful for you guys today. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your other crafty friends. Somebody else might find it helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post Tunisian crochet tutorials every Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. CST. Also, don't forget to check out my other social media. I am on pretty much everything except for Snapchat, so I have a little something out there for everybody, and all of those links are linked down in my description box below. I am also on Teespring with merch, and I am on Etsy with my handmade items. And until next time guys, happy making.